Right, left side, let's go. We have a movable, Scar for a Scar, Slog, Onslaught, Iron Rot, and a Drone of Brutality, Breakneck, and a Scoured Battlescape. No cold foiled yet, or rainbow foiled, as this is unlimited. But yeah, no foiled weapons or equipment. Class cards, and a download. Scoured Battlescape, Wounded Bull, Pummel, Scar for a Scar, Iron Rot Lakes, Drone of Brutality, and Disabled, and a Stonewall Confidence Yellow. Rump, Crush, Bellow, Power, Steel, Gust Wave, Response, and a Bravo. Right. It's time to deliver, boosters. Provide me with your fortune. Sink below. Crouching Brownhide, Flock, Crew, Snapdragon, and then we have a Blessing and a Majestic and Lightning Strike. Amazing. And a Nimble Strike. That's good. That's a good pull. A card I want. B, a card that's always, or as long as this is now, will have value. So that's a great card. Smash Instinct, Debilate, Pack Hunt, Center, Response, Deck Tap, and Club. Right, so that's a great card. Now we feel much better. And also with the inside of 2 Majestic is what you should be expected. That one being one of them is really good. Flock, Wounding, Nimble, Sink, but still no Rainbow Foil equipment. Potion of Strength, and a Savage Feast, and a Barraging Beatdown. Power, Rump, Confidence, and class cards. So we are maybe a quarter left of the package, and the display. So let's see what it can deliver. Sluggism, Onslaught, Scour, and Breaking Scales, Overpower, and a Pounding Gale, and a Stroke of Foresight, and Crush, Confidence, and stuff, and other India. Right, so yeah, we are on a good way on an average box, I would say. Yeah, I'm soon gonna probably just hit the singles market and get the cards that I'm looking for. But this is so much fun, so I really don't want to. I want to be a collector. Okay, no Rainbow Foils, Flick Flack, Warrior's Valor, and a Wounded Bull. Pack Hunt, Crush, Savage Swing, Crush of Confidence, Sharpen Steel, Need Trust, Stroke, and a Rain. We have a Nimbleism, Face Reflexes, Wounded Bull, Nimble Strike, and an Iron Rot, Blackout Kick, and a Reckless Swing, and a Sharpened Steel, and the class cards. So I have had actually displays before without any foiled equipment. This actually feels like, well, one of them. So it's not guaranteed, it's just really expected to get one of those foiled equipments. Blow, Scar for a Scar, Wounding Bull, Ranging Onslaught, Iron Rot, Fluster Fist, a Blessing, and a Smash Instinct foil. Confidence, Swing, Power, Rump, Strike, Steel, and a Dumbbell. Right, so now we have 3 packs left. Scour the Battlescape, Slog, Flock, Raging, Cross Trap, Savage Feast, a Snatch, and a Foil Pack Hunt. Power Hunt, Confidence Song, Center Path, and a token. So 2 packs left. Alright, deliver me amazingness box, please. Crew, Bull, Pummel, Blow. Nope. Helm, Potion, Flick Flack, and here we have our Rainbow Fold strapping. Looks really nice. So we got that one. Instinct, Blow, Bellow, Blow, Foresight, Center, Blade, and Contagious. Right, so last pack to go of, well, I got Remembrance and the Lightning Strike. It is an okay display, I would say. So, Brownhide, Slog, Wounded Bull, Scar for a Scar, Strapping, and we have a Siege of Solace, and a Majestic Alpha Rampage, and a Foil Buckling Blow, and our class card. So we hit exactly the 2 Majestics a display by the last pack. Alpha Rampage not being one of the more sought after, but Strike being a really nice one, so that's good. So 2 Majestics, a nice portion of rares that I need and want. So let's see here, strikes, foil rares, specials. So some nice foil rares, just because I want foils. The Barkbone. And then of course, Remembrance, Rainbow Foil is a nice card. Nice with some Katsus and some nice specials. But yeah, these 2 maybe being the best cards. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.